Want to sell kids' worksheets but can't design anything?
What if I told you that every kid's worksheet you're seeing here was made using AI only? No Photoshop, no Canva, no design skills at all. Yep, I rely 100% on Dreamina AI, and honestly, it's #1 for this kind of work. With Dreamina and the prompt I'll give you in this video, you can create beautiful kids' worksheets in just a few minutes. And the best part? You can turn these worksheets into digital products and sell them online. More value, more income. Sounds good, right? Let's jump in. Step 1. Preparing the prompt. First, let me show you how I prepare the prompt. I use one master prompt that I rely on for creating children's worksheets, and I've shared it for free on my website. You can find the link in the description. From this master prompt, all you need to do is fill in a few simple details. You start by deciding the title, for example, trace the alphabet A to Z. Then you choose the age range, such as 3 to 5 years. After that, you match the skill type with the title, like writing, letter tracing. Lastly, you set the aspect ratio, and I usually go with 4 to 5. Once everything is filled in, simply select all of the text and copy the master prompt. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit send. In just a moment, ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use prompt that's specifically designed to create a children's worksheet. Step 2. Generating the worksheet image. Now it's time to turn that prompt into an actual worksheet image. You start by copying the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Then head over to the Dreamina AI website. I've put the link in the description. Before generating anything, log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, Dreamina will automatically give you free credits so you can start right away. After that, paste the prompt into the Generate box. Next, choose the image model. I personally recommend using the upgraded model, Image 4.5, because the results are much cleaner and more professional. Then select the aspect ratio. In this case, I'm using 3 to 4. After that, choose the resolution. Dreamina allows you to generate images all the way up to Ultra 4K, which is perfect for printable worksheets. Once everything is set, just hit send and wait a few minutes. When the generation is finished, Dreamina will give you 4 different worksheet images. You simply pick the one you like the most. From here, you can repeat the same process with different titles and skill types, combine the worksheets into a PDF, and just like that, you've created a digital product that's ready to sell. Crazy, right? With Dreamina AI, the #1 AI tool for worksheet creation and the right prompt, you can go from 0 skills to a real digital product in minutes. If you want to work smarter, create faster, and open new income opportunities, this is the way. Now go try it and let AI do the heavy lifting for you.